The Weld Shrinkage and Distortion Estimator calculates dimensional changes that occur in welded joints due to heat-induced contraction. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your joint type from the drop-down menu, which offers butt joint, fillet joint, or T-joint options. For this demonstration, I'm using butt joint. Next, enter your plate thickness in millimeters. This is the thickness of the material you're welding. Then input your weld size in millimeters, the cross-sectional dimension of your weld bead. Finally, enter the weld length in millimeters, the total length of your weld run. For our example, I'll input 10 millimeters for plate thickness, 10 millimeters for weld size, and 10 millimeters for weld length. After clicking Calculate Shrinkage and Distortion, we get 3 critical results. The longitudinal shrinkage shows 10.0 millimeters per meter, indicating the contraction along the weld axis. The transverse shrinkage of 1.58 millimeters tells us the perpendicular contraction across the weld. The angular distortion of 0.573 degrees reveals the rotational deformation angle caused by uneven heating and cooling. Use these predictions to compensate for distortion in your welding projects. Find the link in the description below.